Ugot! Saan si Ate Pia? Ate Pia! Come here. Ay, saan na siya matago?
Here.
Huwag mo takpan yung camera. Dito ka, Pio. Dito ka kay Titi. Dito ka. Sa gitna ko. Dito ka.
Does Jaco? How old is Jaco?
It's just a baby.
How old is he, Ma? Jaco's acting like a baby. Wait, I'm gonna go add some decoration.
Mamaya na. Hindi pa tapos. Oh. Lagyan mo na natin ng ano to.
Girl, malilim na si Jaco.
Saan si Jaco? Kumene.
What's so crazy? Bakit sa lilim na si Jaco? He's gonna drown. Dati Papa choking. What the hell? Here's some more sun.
Ano ka to? Ganyan natin yun. Oh, pat.
Yeah, Spanish.
cut
It's
it.
like my big booty, but the butt.
Yeah, think of it as a boot.
Is Ate face ass? Is that your butt? Oh my goodness, girl.
Kunin mo yung shells, P. Kunin mo yung shells. Ipon mo dito sa ano na to. Ito para kang dog.
Ate Faye, look, I found orange.
Lagay mo muna dito, mamaya na. Tapusin na natin.
Okay.
So ano ka to? Dog?
Are you a dog? No, I'm not a dog. I'm just building a circle.
Ah, yung parang sa water?
Yeah. We're
Halika. Gawin natin.
Yay. Wait, but where is the shovel?
Wala pa to. Oh, wala.
Bakit wala water?
Wala pa kasi di pa tapos yung ano natin, circle.
So kunti water.
Yeah. Ayan no, use the shells for putting water. Nawala din.
What the? You know,
Na-absorb kasi ng sand yung ano.
is Jaco always like that?
Lagyan mo dito yung extra sand. Dito kayo paikot. To, aso ka ba to?
No, I'm just building for the sand. So, Ate Faye, when are you coming back to Cavite?
Never.
Look at my booty bum.
Lagay mo dito yung ibang sand sa taas ng mountain.
It's becoming perfect.
Decorate mo na yung mountain, P. Ayusin mo yung mountain, tapos decorate mo.
Okay.
Kinis dapat. Yan o. Slide your hand around it. Massage it.
Massage is
Hanap tayo ng ano to. Like big cup para sa water.
I found some.
Si Ate Pia muna mag-finish ng castle, mag-design.
What the? Uy, aso. May isa pang aso. Si Bogi. Ah? There you go. Put the seashell here. We'll just make it easier so we can build it easier. Yes. What happened to the sandcastle? What happened to the sandcastle? I accidentally ruined it. But it's okay. Done. But first we need to get the flag. I'm gonna go get the stick. First we get the stick. Where's this? Alis mong dyan. Wait, this can be a perfect
Flag.
Yeah.
It's a flag.
A stone flag.
Nakakatago yung flag.
Yeah, is it wet? You like this, oh? Hey, like this, oh. Oh, gamit mo to, oh. Pang big. Gamit not so big. Like this? Yeah. And then go.
Hanap tayong ano, Pi, kapag lalagyan ng ano mo, shells. Kaya mamaya, pag uwi mo, may ano ka.
May ano?
Shells. Iba ng shells.
Ng Cavite?
Gawin mo shells, eh.
I'm gonna make this deeper. Yeah. Gonna make this deeper. Gonna make this deeper, no? After piano. Yeah.
Saan si Jipo?
Nagsiswimming.
Yun. Nakatayo lang.
Where? Oh, yan si Chico. Akala ko yan si Chico.